Today we'll cover how to troubleshoot abnormal print carriage movement. If the print car doesn't move at all, try the following. Check if the optical linear encoder is clean and properly positioned in the center groove. Observe the print car as it moves left and right, and check whether the corresponding X value changes. If the print car moves but the X value doesn't change, or if the value jumps abnormally, it indicates a problem with the optical linear encoder or the decoder. Check the green encoder cable. If it's loose or disconnected, plug it back in securely. If the print car only moves to the right side, you can check and adjust it as follows. First, check and adjust the better printer settings. Make sure the pump height and protect height are set to 1320, the scrap ink height is set to 550, and the flash height is set to 200. If all these values are correct but the problem still occurs, it could be due to an incompatibility between the RIAN version and the user's computer. Try using another computer, reinstall RIAN and better printer, then try printing again.